All right, everybody, close your eyes, and I'm going to bring you to my happy place. All right, guys, I told you I'll bring you to my happy place right here at Hartford Harley-Davidson. That's right. We are here today for their spring open house. And that's right, we're here for the spring open house. Plus, we got some parts that came in for our bikes, so we're excited about getting those. And they have some food vendors and a couple other vendors here. It'll be a great time. So here we are, we're inside the showroom. There's the man to see about a new bike, make your dreams come true.
Dr.Harley.
Hey, how's it going? Good to see you, man.
I'm a watcher.
Hey, thank you for watching.
Videos, man. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's always cool to meet a first time I met him, new subscriber. Here's Steve, guys. He's the guy to make all your dreams. One of the guys here to make all your dreams come true at Hartford Harley.
Hell yeah.
Actually, the whole staff here will help you make your dreams come true. So if you were looking for something like this beautiful road glide or street glides, this is the place to come.
Come on down for a test ride.
That's it. Come down for a test ride. As a matter of fact, I saw a thing they're giving away hats for test rides.
That's the 8th through the 14th?
The 8th for the 14th, which this will be up when they see that, will be next weekend. Like that, turn the videos around within 1 week.
Right.
So they have an inventory. Guys, if you're looking for a hot lap CVO ST in the vintage year of 2025, they got one right here. So if you're looking for one, Hartford has one. They got a couple of the denim blue sitting here. Definitely want to come down and check out Hartford Harley-Davidson to see everything that they have and what's available. Look, somebody made their dream come true. Nice little Nightster. 3 more bikes have been sold, making 120th anniversary.
A lady bought it.
Oh, that's a lady bought that bike.
I was just talking to her.
That's beautiful. 120th anniversary. Look at that puppy.
You're so friendly.
That's beautiful. I like that bike. Always loved that 120th paint. All right, guys, so we're here and we just ordered some wings from the food truck. One of EJ's favorites is food trucks. But we just ordered some wings for lunch. Bit hungry, got to feed the fat guy. But we're still here at Hartford Harley. The Heyman Law Firm is here. Bikers Against Animal Cruelty is here. Becca.
No, that's child abuse.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Children abuse. Child abuse.
Correction. Bikers Against Child Abuse. Baca's here. And a couple other jewelry vendors are here. Good time. They got free demo rides like you heard Scott inside say. And, come on down, hang out. Or come to Hartford Harley if you're looking for your next dream. They can make it happen. More stuff to come, guys. All right, guys, and that's it for the spring open house here for Hartford Harley-Davidson. They had a great time. I'm going to give you a quick little view of what they got going on here in the parking lot. It's quite unique. So you got Bacchus here, you got some jewelry people here. They're doing a free bike blessing. There you go. Cheers to everybody. The Heyman Law Firm is here, and all of EJ's favorites, like I said, the food trucks. And if you made it this far, I know it wasn't my normal type of video where I'm working in the shop and things like that, but we're going to try something different. Hey guys, if you like this video and like to see more content like this, make sure you give it that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride off, and as always, ride hard.